Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? I woke up this morning because I want to make unubu soup in my mama's house in UK. So, so I'm here now, and I want to start making my unubu soup. And so you will follow me as we are doing it. Now I want to wash cocoyam, peel cocoyam and start putting it on fire. How are you doing? So let's move.
So as I'm cooking, I'm going to drop some things that make me put up this video. You understand? This is not the first time I'm making a bitter leaf soup on my channel, but I want to put up this video for a memorial. And I really want to trash out the video because at the end of this video, I lost the clip. I was trying to delete some things from my phone and mistakenly I deleted the end part of it. So that it wasn't much. And I wanted to put up this video because it's a very good memory for me. I came for a wedding of the daughter of my auntie, which I'm cooking in her kitchen right now. That is how I used to cook in her kitchen when she was here in Italy. All of us were here before they moved to UK. So I happened to be one of the guests in that wedding. So the girl in question is my lovely baby girl. I used to make her hair. In fact, before I started having children, I already started making her hair. From there, I started knowing how to make hair. So here am I, UK. UK no get weather. Oh. We were sweating in Italy, but when we entered UK, see cold. Oh. When they used to tell me, I used to say, "Va bene, maybe it's not much." We bought sweaters. Oh. Me and my children, we bought sweaters because it was cold. They don't have weather, and they are telling me that that is their summer. I was shouting. So that is why when I put my food, you can see me drinking tea, hot one for that matter. Hey, okay, let's be going now. I'll be telling you the stories. You see all the orishirishi I'm going to use to make this onubu. This bitter leaf I got from her from Italy. You know, in Italy we have fresh onubu. Have fresh onubu, fresh okra. Most of you that are watching my channel, I used to tell you, we have all those things. So nobody they do me longer truth from Nigeria and say, we have bitter leaves, fresh one. You see the bitter leaves there? I got it from there. Okay. But the cocoyam, we bought it from UK. They have everything there anyway, except this bitter leaf, the fresh one. Okay. So as I'm telling you, we came for this wedding, and I told her I'm going to make the soup. She was thinking that I was joking. I was joking. In fact, I was making everybody was sleeping when I came down to start making this soup. Before she came down, I've already finished everything. She was shouting, say, "Ah, this woman." She don't know that I want to keep a memory that I'm in UK cooking in her kitchen. It was a lovely time with them. It was so lovely. At the end part, I will show you some clip. And if you really want to know who do this wedding, you go to Debbie Oscar, Instagram, Debbie Oscar. You go there, you will see everything. So that is the wedding I went to do. Okay. So this oil is from our village. Ba, 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 ba. And after cooking the soup, see how the soup. Ah, God. As if I'm in my own village cooking the soup. Everything were complete. Everything. No, not all this nonsense oil that we are using. This one is real palm oil. You see, you see the thing. I just put small and it just touch everywhere. You see, so, as I was telling you, the wedding was fabulous, so awesome. A lot of things happened, and I really enjoy it. I really enjoy it. Me and my children, we really enjoy it. You see the fish. Before we went to bed, she brought out everything that we are going to use. So when I came out, I saw, see this woman. Everything, see Mangala. See Mangala fish. Oof, this is the real presidential soup I'm making. You can see it. You see it bubbling. You see it. You see it bubbling. So please watch to the end to see the clip of the wedding. You see how just a clip anyway, because I didn't have that right to post everything. Because this my channel is for cooking. If I want to vlog it, just part by part. So if you want to watch full one, yeah, you go to her channel on Instagram, Debbie Oscar. She's also on TikTok. She's also on YouTube, Debbie Oscar. Okay, you can see things for yourself. This is a royal wedding. If I'm telling you, it's a royal wedding. Eh, since I came into Europe, I've not attended wedding like that. Even the Igbo one I attended, it wasn't like that at all. Mm, it wasn't like that. This wedding, I wish them the best. I wish them the best. You know, marriage. My grandmother said that marriage is just like a package that you can open and open, and every day you're opening, every day you're opening, seeing whatever you see, you are taking it. I give them the good love, good marriage in every areas of their lives. As my own lasted today, and their mommy's own lasted, our mommy, oh, we thank God for everything. Thank God for everything. So I was doing this and she came in. I would leave the underground voice. Maybe you hear her saying, what is happening? When did he come down? She was just asking. She was just asking the question. Oh God. We thank God for everything, and we thank God for journey mercy and successful wedding. I think it's this period, this place that as soon as I put this Ogiri Igbo, this clip, after this clip, the other clip, I couldn't see it again where I finished, because this is the last thing I put in this pot. Yeah, and I turn it and allow it to boil and put it down. So this is after this place, the clip just disappear. So you can see the wedding, the wedding dress, the wedding. You can see me before. Let me start with it. I put it after. It was so wonderful. See the couple. These are last dressing. Giving him the dress and dancing and everything. It was so good. These are church. Yes, in the church. There's a photo. God bless you for watching. Bye.